This was a chance to see a fantastic movie from the early 20th century in fantastic surroundings with fantastic music.
You get lost in it, don't you? It's a bit of an escape from normal life.
We just saw some BFI films from Cardiff, which was a real pleasure to see.
My favourite was probably the Tin Cans.
It starts with friendly, caring, enthusiastic, well-trained staff who've all received Dementia Friend training.
What is your favourite part of living in Oz?
Being a wicked witch.
Being a wicked witch. Great answer.
Yes!
Dwi'n credu na'r sesiwn ar Alzheimer's oedd yr un sydd wedi chosi chydig o gynnwr. Ydy enw'r y diwrnod ydyw, so fel o ran agor drysa, oedd hi'n ddifyr gweld maes sydd wedi cael ei anwybyddu yn cael dipyn o sylw.
We started off carefully, choosing our films for our audience. And we've thrown in one or two films which have been a bit more challenging for them. Tonight we're showing Mustang, which is the first subtitled film.
Hoşçakalın. Yapma, ağlatacaksın bizi.
Some people clearly emotional tonight. I got one person who thanked us for bringing Mustang to Rabina, which was quite something.
I think it's great. I think it's a brilliant idea. I think it sort of brings cinema to people who live in places where the cinema is no more. It's really nice having a community feel about it. It's really friendly. It's been somewhere to come and get to know people. It's been really important. And I think without it, Knighton would be, a lot worse off.
I think having animating now is just fantastic because we do animation well, and it is an industry that we should be proud of, and it isn't sung about, and it should be.
Burada.
If it wasn't for the likes of you people bringing this into the community, we'd have nothing. Thank you very much.
Keep on doing projects like this because 1, they're awesome, 2, they're awesome, 3, they're amazing, and 4, they're awesome.